So I made some markings, and basic principle is that I want this electric stove to be aligned the same way as the oven. I'll zoom out. So I will take the center line of this oven space, and I did a mark here. So now I will take the center line of this oven space and replicate it here. And now I take all my necessary measurements from this center line. So I know this has to be how much was it? 560 millimeters. So this way I divide it in half. It's 280, and I take 280 from this side to that side, and the same way this has to be 490. I divide it and then take it from the center. But the most important thing is to align it with the oven. So the oven and the stove and later the ventilation, they all line up. So that's my it's a basic principle. And also I use tape, so I don't want to make the markings on the countertop, because maybe I get something wrong, and then it's difficult to remove them. And also when cutting, I will use my jigsaw, so then I don't damage the surface with the jigsaw.